Wix AdSense approval. Today I'm going to show you how to get Wix AdSense approval. So let's get started. So the thing is, you have to go on your Google and search for Wix. In the results section, choose the option that says wix.com and you will be able to go on their website. From their website, log into your account, and if you don't have one, create one. Now after logging in, you will be able to see their dashboard on left side. Scroll down in their dashboard until you see an option that says setting. Now in the setting section, you will be able to see all of the settings. Scroll down until you see the required settings that says marketing integration. Now tap on that settings. You will be able to go to this page. Now from here, click on the option that says Google Ads conversions. Now you can link your ads here. Now after tapping on it, you can search your Google Ads from here. So this is pretty much simple. Now you simply connect your Google and conversion, then you can actually search for Google Ads here as well. You will be able to connect your Google AdSense right here as well. So that's how this all process looks like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.